what effect do you think it could have on social structures, especially like in the backdrop of population collapse? We don't have the same family sizes. A lot of countries, unki jo population hai wo negative mein. Japan is losing like 600,000 people every year.
हाँ.
Same as I think Italy में भी ऐसे ही है. और पाकिस्तान में भी I think the trends are there. So what do you think, like once we have this automation, AI, we are not socially as connected, we have smaller family sizes as well. How do you see that, like how it's going to affect overall quality of life?
I think that's a great question. उसका ये है कि एक तो family structure जो है, I think I've read it in some places, especially in Europe, the epidemic of the future is loneliness.
Right.
And उसका ये, as you grow older, you become more infirm. आपको support तो चाहिए होती है. And they've discovered that if you have strong relationships, you have engagement, it has very significant health benefits. It also affects like some of the worst things that can happen to you, which is really bad depression and things like that. So uska solution to obviously is something that needs to be made. How do you get people to remain connected? In one way is जो हमारा जो alternative आ गया है, which is the internet and things like that. तो उसमें problem ये है कि they're not the same quality of relationships, right? A digital level of engagement, you might have it around certain issues which gives you purpose and things like that, but it's not the same as real relations. And maybe the key is translating digital relationships into real life ones, friendships and things like that. लेकिन जो population collapse है,
Yeah.
that's a very interesting one because to be honest, I haven't really studied it that much. Obviously उसके 2-3 पहलू है which are very important. वो ये है कि जब आपका population collapse हो जाता है तो आपके पास बहुत कम young लोग होते हैं to take care of an aging population.
Right.
दूसरा ये है कि उसमें aging population जो होता है उसकी cost ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है because उनकी productivity कम हो जाती है, retirement, and then you need to take care of them. वो कहाँ से आएगा उसका पैसा? वो यही होगा from the young.
Right.
Taxing them or having them to work. So that puts undue pressure. State की viability कम हो जाती है, उसकी जो overall economic pie है वो it starts deflating, shrinking. अच्छा, but I think these are real problems.
Right.
But the flip side is also a real problem. Unfettered growth. The world keeps growing, chasing GDP numbers. उसमें consumption होती है, उसमें pillaging of resources होती है. Some of those are not renewable, yeah, they take time, whether it's like forests, things like that. तो ये भी हमने ज़रा देखना होगा. So I can see the problem of a population collapse, but it's not a terrible thing to have a smaller world that isn't chasing growth all the time.
Yeah.
If you can find a more equitable distribution, if you can find a way of getting people to live together.
Yeah.
तो वो जो एक, it's almost like a Ponzi scheme.
Yeah.
कि keep growing and economies are healthy and we'll consume.
Yeah.
And ये जो sufficient, I mean, we found oil, right?
Yeah.
And the world suddenly changed. And people's incomes changed. Because we were essentially getting billions of years of decomposition from the earth becoming, liquid gold for people. And it's like energy coming out that we haven't really created or put effort into.
Yeah.
तो उसका तो आप अपना ही, I mean, if climate change was in there, उसका एक अपना eventually तो आना था, if like let's say renewables had not come along. So I'm just wondering इसमें ये जो population collapse का issue है, देखें आप, एक ये तो है कि now we've got freedom, people are choosing individualism.
Yeah.
They're not interested in the constraints of marriage, they're not interested in the constraints of family to some degree. They're pursuing what they want, and that's their choice.
Right.
लेकिन again मुझे जो डर है is that वो जो the crisis framing of a population collapse is mainly in terms of the economy. I just wonder is that maybe there is a way around it, and maybe it's inevitable, and maybe the Earth should be, with less people, and ultimately, I mean, I think we're the kind of species who will drive ourselves to extinction, whether it's by population collapse, whether it's through, climate change, whether it's through nuclear war.
Right.
Because जो हम देख रहे हैं especially in the past decade, वो ये है कि जो order हमने थोड़ा बहुत बनाया वो तो बिगड़ गया है, वो तो break हो रहा है, and some of the more naked geopolitical power games जो exist करती थी World War II में, World War I में, Cold War में, जो कुछ हद तक after the collapse of the Soviet Empire, we thought कि बस ठीक है अब जो order है वो फिर वापस आ रहा है. And if we haven't been able to listen to those or learn from those lessons, so maybe there's a slight inevitability in where we're heading to.
Yeah.